The Hnyf National Youth Front has opposed the Meghalaya State Investment Promotion and Facilitation Act 2024, arguing that the land will be acquired and handed over to non-tribal entities. Addressing the press on Friday, President of Hnyf, Sadon Bla, said that they have reasons to oppose the act as it is in conflict with Meghalaya Land Transfer Act. He expressed dismay that the District Council members are not part of the Governing Council and High Part Committee of the IMA, even though a considerable amount of land falls under the jurisdiction of the District Council.
Section by I was the governing council but high power committee. Nama government the governing council but high power committee. Nama chairman chief minister but the cabinet ministers. Bro, the hakani kalong indirectly I was no chief minister but cabinet minister. Kemudian governing council high power committee bahkan modify abrogate dan ban bet ban penonton yang akan angkat ke majlis kejuki.